Quick Quake is a fun and easy way to analyse seismic data to determine the location and magnitude of an earthquake. Simply connect to your earthquake data server, download and select your waveforms, mark the primary and secondary wave arrival times to set the distance of the earthquake from the station, then move the earthquake around the station until all of the waveforms are in the right order. You can even change the earthquake depth to see the effect on the location. Visit src.com.au for more information.